how do all of us find peace and happiness in our lives? What is the magic that we need to do to be happy and to be peaceful within?
Happiness is actually a alchemy process in us, independent of any external happening. We are trying constantly to achieve happiness in the wrong direction, thinking that only certain permutation combinations of the external happening can cause happiness in us. It is like a completely misunderstanding the chemistry. If A plus B is going to be C, and we go on try to add C plus D and reach the A, which it is never going to happen. Same way, the alchemy of the happiness has to be understood as an independent process than the external happenings and permutation combinations of the external happenings. This itself solves almost 80% of the problem. Then, building happiness is a separate profession we need to do, like making business.
Oh.
It is unfortunate we believe just by making business or building our career or building a relationship, happiness is achieved. No. It's a separate alchemy process. Of course, thousands of times simpler than building a career and profession. It may be simple, but it is a separate process. We need to look in to the basic understandings which makes that spiritual alchemy process of happiness happen in us. Maybe looking into that and following that science, happiness can be developed, and developing happiness can be the first fundamental foundational requirement even to develop our business and career and all the other things. Because if we develop happiness, peace will be side effect. Peace itself is not main effect. Peace will be side effect. That will equip us to handle all the things we need to do to build our career, profession, relationship and all that. Without building the happiness inside, if we directly start building external things, one, tremendous stress. Second, even after achieving the goal, we suddenly feel whatever we lost in the path is too much to reach this result. So that leads to frustration. I call it depression of success.
Oh.
Successful, but whatever we gave up looks too much we gave up to achieve this. After achieving that only we understand, I think this may not be that worthy. So building happiness is an independent science, alchemy, which every individual need to do before even beginning the life. If he missed, at least now.
Swamiji, in our lives, we are subject to so many external rules. We are told to behave in a particular manner, to live in a particular manner, to eat in a particular manner. Now, do we have command over our own lives? Do we have the ability and the right to decide what is good for us as we seek happiness and peace in our lives?
Whoever does not understand the context is bound by the rule. Whoever understands the context is empowered by the rule.
Oh.
Any rule, whether it's a traffic rule or dressing rule or eating rule, any behavior, any rule, if we do not know the context why it is formulated, that will be binding us. If we know why it is formulated, two things will happen. One, even while you follow, you will not feel you are bound. You will not be feeling bound if you stop in the red signal in the traffic rule, if you know the context. While you are following, you will not feel bound. Second, all the gray area will be your freedom. The freedom which comes by knowing the context is two end. One, Even while you are following, you will not feel you are bound. Second, all the gray area is your freedom. But when we don't know the context, even while we are following, we will feel we are slaves, and we do not know the gray area, and we do not have the freedom or command over the gray area. At end of the day, even powers is nothing but knowing the gray area of the cosmic rules. When we know the context of the cosmic rules is dharma. When we know the dharma, even if you follow the rules, you will not feel bound. And because you know the gray area, you know where to play. Knowing where you can play and where you need to obey itself is a power.